The Nobel Prize was awarded for the first time in which year? The correct answer is B. 1901. So, the first Nobel Prize was awarded on 10th December 1901. Let's check the next question. Who is the first Indian to win an Oscar? The correct answer is B. Bhanu Athaiya. Bhanu Athaiya got this award for designing the costumes, and Ravi Shankar was nominated for Best Original Score for the same film. Who won the first Nobel Prize in Literature? The correct answer is D. Sully Prudhomme. So, the Nobel Prize in Literature was awarded in 1901 to Sully Prudhomme in special recognition of his poetic composition, which gives evidence of lofty idealism, artistic perfection, and a rare combination of the qualities of both heart and intellect. Let's check the next question. Which 7th century Indian mathematician was the first in the world to treat 0 as a number and show its mathematical operation? The correct answer is C. Brahmagupta. Who received the first Nobel Prize in Physics in India? The correct answer is A. Dr. C.V. Raman. Let's check the next question. The first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Literature is? The correct answer is C. Rabindranath Tagore. So, Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian and as well as first Asian to be awarded by Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. Which of the following foundations confers the Global Goalkeeper Awards? The correct answer is D. That is Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The Boyle Award is given in the field of dash. The correct answer is B. Architecture. Abel Prize is given in the field of dash. The correct answer is D. Mathematics. Tenzing Norgay National Award is given in which field of sports? The correct answer is B. Adventure. So, the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award, formerly known as the National Adventure Awards, and the award is named after Tenzing Norgay, one of the first two individuals to reach the summit of Mount Everest, along with Edmund Hillary in 1953. Which of the following is the highest award in the order of precedence for military service in India? The correct answer is C. Paramveer Chakra. So, Paramveer Chakra is the highest award for military services in India. Who was honored with the first ever Philip Kotler Presidential Award? The correct answer is D. Narendra Modi. Let's check the next question. Hargobind Khurana was awarded Nobel Prize in the field of dash. The correct answer is A. Medicine. So, Hargobind Khurana was an Indian American biochemist. He shared the 1968 Nobel Prize for Psychology or Medicine with Marshall W. Let's check the next question. Who was the first awardee of the Murthy Devi Award, which is given in the field of literature? So, the correct answer is D. That is C.K. Nagaraja Rao. He was the Kannada writer and he got this award in 1983 for his novel Patam Devi, Shantala Devi, which was published in 4 volumes. Dhanvantri Award is given in which of the following fields? The correct answer is A. Medical Science. The Dhanvantri Award is associated with the medical field. The award has been introduced by the All Indian Medicine Graduates Association. Let's check the next question. Who has won Subhash Chandra Bose Apada Prabandhan Puraskar 2021? The correct answer is A. Rajendra Kumar Bhandari. Let's check the next question. Which American president won the Nobel Peace Prize? The correct answer is A. Barack Obama. Barack Obama awarded by the Nobel Peace Prize for his extraordinary efforts to strengthen international diplomacy and cooperation between peoples. Let's check the next question. Name the first actor to win the Oscar awards. The correct answer is A. Emily Onnings. Let's check the next question. For which of the following sports was Dronavali Harika conferred with the prestigious Padma Shri award? The correct answer is A. Chess. She has won 3 bronze medals in the Women World Chess Championship in 2012, 15 and 17. Let's check the next question. Who is the first woman to have been awarded the Yuddha Seva medal? The correct answer is C. Minty Agarwal. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.